With the launching of Apple's most premium iPhone 13 lineup, they have also introduced us to the iOS 15, the company's latest and upgraded operating system. The new iOS 15 offers some new features to look out for, which will undoubtedly ensure a more enhanced user experience for those who have already upgraded. Sadly, the iPhone X or below users are going to miss out on some features even if they're able to upgrade to the latest OS. In this video, we will show all the features Apple has brought up with the iOS 15 and the features that you won't get on your iPhone X or older versions. So, without further ado, let's jump in. With the latest iOS 15, the first thing you would notice is the redesigned notifications. It allows you to add larger icons for applications and also set images of people on the contact list. Besides, you can get a notification summary that collects all the recent notifications and arranges them by priority. To reduce distraction, there's a whole new feature called Focus that filters out notifications and apps based on your usage. Moreover, if you focus on a certain app, it will block the incoming notifications and let others know through messages. Focus can be customized for different occasions such as work hours or winding down for bed using on-device intelligence. But you can also create your own. Once you set your custom focus on a single Apple device, it automatically applies to other Apple devices as well. The new iOS gives an entirely new look to the web browser Safari. With its redesigned look, tab bars and other options are now easier to reach and you will be able to focus more on the web page's content. You can also save web pages and easily access them from other devices. And there's an option for web extensions at the start page which is customizable. All these features are available on any iPhone that supports the iOS 15. But now, we will be showing you some upgrades that are only available on the devices having an A12 Bionic chipset or higher, meaning your iPhone X will not be featuring some upgrades. The iOS map comes with a more enhanced way of showing routes and distances. It offers you 3D views of cities with more details with specific roads and buildings. This 3D feature won't be available on iPhone X. Besides, you will not get to see the step-by-step direction showing in augmented reality. With the iOS 15, you're likely to get the best FaceTime experience ever. Equipped with the voice isolation and spatial audio feature while having FaceTime calls, you will be listening to the person from the same direction as they're located on the screen. Voice isolation mainly filters out all the unwanted background noises through machine learning. It also offers a portrait mode on FaceTime and also a grid view, so that you can bring more people to the calls at the same time. Both the features will not be available for you if you are an iPhone X user. Though there were confusions about whether we will get to see the Share Play feature, Apple has brought up this feature to the iOS 15. This will allow you to share and play videos with others during FaceTime calls. You will also be able to create shareable links to your scheduled FaceTime calls, which can also be opened via Android or Windows devices. Apart from these, we have also got to see the live text that has on-device intelligence to recognize text in a photo and allows you to search photos by location, people, scenes, objects, and text. And there are also some other tweaks and changes such as user-created tags, mentions, and an activity view in the Notes app, trends, walking steadiness, and a new sharing tab in the Health app, and many more. So overall, the iOS 15 has certainly brought some useful upgrades to go with your daily life. Though it is a matter of upset for users having a lower chipset than the A12 Bionic as they will miss out on some important features. They can still enjoy a lot of the latest iOS. What do you think of the new iOS of Apple? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.